From screening tenants to maintenance inspections, your property owners depend on you to safeguard their investment. But protection doesn't stop there. Expecting the unexpected and making sure their property and your business is covered with the right insurance can offer even more value. But when you have renters, homeowners, and tenant liability insurance options out there, you may be wondering, how can you find the right coverage to fit your portfolio? If so, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll explore the differences between the types of insurance available, how they work, who is covered, and what insurance options Buildium offers. So let's jump in with renter's insurance, the most abundant option. When a resident wants to protect their assets, in other words, their personal belongings, they sign up for renter's insurance. This type of insurance can also cover more than just clothes and jewelry. Renter's insurance can protect property owners against tenant claims due to property damage, say when a fire happens, or cover relocation costs after a natural disaster. So it benefits property owners as well. Renter's insurance can also protect against damage or injuries caused by guests and their pets. Sounds simple enough, right? Well, the challenge here is making sure they're actually insured, always. Any lapse in coverage, even for a short time, could make residents and property owners vulnerable. And keeping tabs on who is covered at all times can be a time-consuming task. Now, when a property owner wants to protect their assets, they get homeowners insurance. Homeowners insurance covers the building itself. So while it typically pays for damages caused by acts of God or the owner, it usually doesn't cover damage caused by residents. That's what renter's insurance or tenant liability insurance is for. And as a matter of fact, next up, we'll cover tenant liability insurance, also known as property insurance. So by now, you're probably wondering if there's an easy way to protect all of your properties. Why, yes, there is. Property insurance puts the power in the hands of the property manager. Your owner's properties will be protected with every new resident as soon as they move in. No double checking for existing policies required. Property insurance delivers the same type of tenant liability coverage as renter's insurance policy would, and acts as a first line of defense when resident-caused damages occur, insulating your client's homeowner's policy from a potential increase in premiums due to a claim. It's important to call out that property insurance doesn't cover resident belongings, though. But that's okay, because tenants can always upgrade to a renter's insurance policy in their name to keep their stuff safe. When you have Buildium, you have access to 2 easy-to-enroll insurance options. With Buildium Property Insurance, you get up to $100,000 in liability coverage with no deductible for resident-caused property damages. Damage from smoke, fire, water, covered. Burglary or building collapse, covered. There's even additional coverage for loss of rental income, pet damage, and bedbug remediation. It's a great default insurance option for residents without existing renter's insurance. It'll meet your lease requirements and make sure there are no coverage gaps that leave your property owners or your business exposed. Plus, property insurance typically costs less than renter's insurance, which is good for your residents. And what makes this option even better for your business? It's a no-cost option. Buildium gives you the flexibility to pass on the cost to tenants and drive additional revenue by letting you decide if you want to include an additional administrative fee or not. When it comes to helping your residents keep their keepsakes safe, you can offer affordable renter's insurance through Buildium. For the price of a movie ticket, renters get a minimum of $100,000 in liability insurance. Plus, your residents can choose $10,000, $15,000, or $30,000 in personal property coverage. Policies also protect residents if a guest gets hurt while in the unit and can cover emergency living expenses. It gives them convenient coverage while giving you a way to make your offerings stand out from the rest. And because it's Buildium, you can offer, track, and enforce insurance requirements all on one platform. And that just about does it. We hope that this video made you more knowledgeable on how you can protect your owner's properties and your own business with insurance options. To learn more about Buildium Renters Insurance or Buildium Property Insurance, go to buildium.com/features/insurance.